Hi guys, so today I'm going to unbox the PlayStation Classic. So it looks all amazing. I picked this up on launch day and we can see it's got 20 pre-installed games and the original artwork of the console. It looks amazing. So it's 18 PEGI rating because there's a couple of games on there that are probably 18. That's fair enough. It's all using just emulations. I know there's some controversy that they're using weird things, but that's okay. Also, I got my new claws for this greatness. So we can see I'm also in my new location, so hopefully better lighting, better games all around. So this is the side of the box, so it just gives you all the generic literature, tells you got HDMI, all the safety seals and all that stuff. Go to PlayStation.com, then you've got the attention, you will die if you open this wrong. Just the good stuff. Then in the back it shows you a sample of some of the games. So you have Final Fantasy 7, Persona 1, Metal Gear, and all that good stuff. Doesn't say Persona on here, but I know it does have Persona. That's the main reason why I was like, oh my god! Again, just says you've got 20 games to look forward to. Even though I do know there's other games on the coding that it hasn't let you access to, like Tekken and stuff. Not Tekken. Tomb Raider, that's the game, and I'm quite annoyed. So anyway, I've got my dinner here. So that's the box. I've just opened the flap, so it's easier to get open, because my nails can't do it themselves. So anyway, that's what the box looks like, just fresh. Pretty cool. I've got to show you that side as well. So it comes with 2 controllers, HDMI, and a micro USB cable, and no AC adapter. Okay, that annoys me. So it's in this box, so I've had to use a knife to open up the flap, as one, I can't open packages one-handed. I wish I could learn that good skill, but I don't know. I don't want to snap my nails either. I've done that before and it hurts. Anyway, so we're going to look or open the flap, and we'll just lift up all of this good stuff. So this is my new kitchen we're seeing as well. And the iPad case I bought, which has a slot for the Apple Pencil. Yes. Okay, so sliding that out, we have the PlayStation 1 Classic instruction guide, that kind of literature. PlayStation on the back, it'll just tell you how to install. It's just plug and play. Okay, so now we'll slide out the third box. Yay! So in here should have everything that we're going to unbox. It's just a bit annoying with so many boxes, but as long as the thing isn't broken, that's okay. Now, just another white box, kind of like the PlayStation 4's box. Cause I got pre-owned, so I never had the main box for that. Anyway, so I will unhook this. Will I be able to do it with my nails? No. Oh my god, here's the console itself. It's so tiny. I mean, I know you don't need that much space to install ROMs, but my good lord. So, as I can't open this boxes by myself, I need a knife. Whoa, okay. So this just flips up and we have the console itself. Now, will I be able to get this out of my nails? Oh my god, please. Will my nails actually come in handy and be long enough? Oh my god, I did it. Okay, yay. Huh. So yeah, this console is so tiny and fits in the palm of your hand. It's so light too. Holy hell. Okay, this was a good investment. Like, seriously. Now, we'll get into the bottom of the box, which I'll need to get a knife again. Alright, so that's me got this open, and we get into the controllers. So these feel exactly like a PlayStation 1. Now, I mean, they're very accurate, and they don't come with the analog version, so it's just D-pad, which makes sense, as the D-pad variation of the console came out during the end of the PS1's life cycle. So it makes sense, trying to be accurate, that's fair enough. Now it also comes with the HDMI cable, which I don't need, I've got about 16 million of them, and a micro USB cable. Now, I wish the micro USB cable came with a AC adapter, because trying to find one with a good voltage is impossible. I tried my old phone charger, I tried 2 AC adapters that I've had left over, and they didn't work. So I had to use an iPad one. So thank God I had an iPad, or that'd be sad. But technically the 3DS does the same thing, so granted. So yeah, so you get 2 controllers, so multiplayer games is a given, thank God. That makes everything better. And a USB, so they don't work with the PC either. So what is the point of changing the layout? And that's fair enough. Won't go into that. But yeah, that's the unboxing. Alright, so here is the PS1 and PS4 stacked. How cute is this little first generation to current generation? So it's plugged into my TV, just need to power it on via the HDMI, so that's all sorted, and my new office. Where pride and joy right here, my good old gaming collection, next to all of my consoles that I have amassed over the years, and my wall of boxes, plus graveware. So here we go. I'm in love with this console, it's so cute. Oh my. So that was the original startup sound, and here is the setup. So I've just selected English, and it's given me the console button guide. The eject button actually works, it's kind of cute. And then we have the warning for epilepsy, and here is the startup and the main menu. So we've got Battle Arena as the first game that's on currently. Not bad indeed. I like fighting games. I used to think I was great at them. I got mass handed to me. It's quite sad. So we've got Final Fantasy, Grand Theft Auto, all that good stuff. Metal Gear, not bad. Haven't Oddworld, not bad indeed. Rayman, all the cheat codes as well work in these games. Persona, yes. So you can actually use some of the old passwords, like any emulator, just wanting that put out there. Tekken 3 is great. I keep forgetting like some of these games originated on the PS1. It's kind of good I'm finally getting to properly do this. So you can select a memory card and all that good stuff, and use all the settings. So the memory card is basically just an SD card on the file itself, which is fair enough because you don't get memory cards anymore. You can use passwords, which is weird. So I might try Persona for you guys. And here we go. So we'll put it up. It's weird how Persona's progressed. Tripped as a butterfly. Persona. This is so cool. Ooh. Ooh, let's begin. Alright, let's get a bit closer. The controllers feel pretty good actually. This overall system looks amazing. Just be warned, it doesn't come with a AC adapter, and the one I was going to use isn't powerful enough. So if you have a phone with a fast charge or a 5 volt, it should work. I used an iPad charger because my phone charger doesn't reach my USB. So the iPad charger definitely works. I think it's a bit much they didn't include one because like not everybody would have a AC adapter that's powerful enough. I think that's taking the pee. I like when Nintendo stopped supplying their AC adapters as well. It's a pain in the ass.
graphics are so dated, but yeah, I love it. Okay. Watch this cutscene and then nothing else. This is like LSD Dream Simulator, isn't it? Good lord. Early polygons. Woo. Okay.
Welcome. My name is Philemon. I live between the world of consciousness and unconsciousness. So tell me, who are you?
Okay. Not bad indeed.
So that was the PlayStation 1 Classic. I quite like the system. It does its job. Even though I kind of wish we had more range of games like Tomb Raider and stuff like that, even because I know that's actually in the coding for it. So technically, if it was able, you could probably hack it in. It's still a bit annoying to include those type of games, but what they give you is pretty much fair enough. Because I don't have a PlayStation 3, so I can't emulate any of the games, and I don't have an original PlayStation 1, so I can never actually get the games. So for me, it works in that sense, just I think it's a bit much for what they give you. They could include a bit more range of gaming. And I know if you're in America, it's not all PAL they're giving you as well. So they don't have the licenses, which is a bit weird. But yeah, I quite like this console. It does the job. And Tekken is awesome, so is Persona. So even with the controller felt nice in the hand. And it felt kind of really close to a PlayStation 1 controller. And I quite like the way the face buttons and everything feels good. So yeah. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. This will be the last Pixelation video of the new year, and I hope to keep growing. Thanks guys.